Alright everybody, let's do an unboxing. This is the Apex aluminum razor with the Predator handle from Aylsworth. So we're going to bust out the Boker and we'll speed up me unboxing, alright? Alright guys, here we go. Apex AL6063 double-edged safety razor. So this is the aluminum version. It's like $69.99. I think it's $85 USD with the stand. Oh, it's got a little piece of tape. So what are we gonna do? I got this directly from Aylsworth. It took about, ordered it on the, so it took 12 days. 12 days to get there. Not bad. Pretty basic packaging. Nothing wrong with it. Just kind of rattling around in there. Has the stand, and there it is. That's what's rattling. And this kind of got a little came out in shipping, but we'll look. So guys, this razor is the Predator handle. I'll show you real quick what the classic handle looks like, and it came in a myriad of colors. You can get it in all black. You can get it black with green, you can get it black with an orange plate, black with the blue plate, a plethora of colors. And since TRC was sold out, I got myself the purple plate. Really cool razor, guys. I like that Predator handle. Looks way better than the classic original handle. There's just something about it I like more. Can we get it good? Here. Let's get some focus going on. Make sure we focus on the right thing on the camera. But look at that. She's a beauty. I'm just going to see, guys. I want to see what the threading's like. You know, not going to lie. You see the wobble? It does not have the threading like Carve does. I'm just here to tell you guys, Carve has the best threading in the game. Not dogging Aylsworth or anything like that, but it is not of that level. It's a bead blasted finish with like type 2 anodized. I think we're like around over 100 millimeters in overall length. I think it's like 35 grams, which is a light razor. 0.05 blade exposure, 0.07 on the blade gap, I do believe. It's got the little A at the top, the Aylsworth logo. Man. It's just hard to get a good shine and trying to do this overhead. But that is it, guys. You know, check it out. I will be doing a video on it soon. Where is that other little box I moved? Say check it out, but I didn't even show you the razor stand. And that's the cool thing too, guys. Stand and razor 85. I can tell you right now though, oh, that screw tolerance, like the threading is, the tolerance is on the threading, and it's a little loose. That's not bad. Just feeling it. And there we go, guys. Alright, like I was saying before, check out the video. You'll see one posted in the next week or two of me using the razor for the first time. Alright guys, I'll catch you next video.